We have the 4moms Mamoru swing. Today, Arvin and I will show you how to assemble Mamoru 4 step by step, and we'll start right now. What is going on? Welcome to this video on how to put together the Mamoru baby swing. We'll start with a quick Mamoru unboxing to make sure we have all the parts needed. Then we cover how to assemble Mamoru baby swing. We also have other videos on review, Bluetooth setup, and disassembly of the 4moms Mamoru swing. If you're interested, I put a link here and also in the description below. For now, let's do the 4moms Mamoru assembly. Coming up. Let's do a quick 4moms Mamoru swing unboxing and review the parts in the box. Let's start the Mamoru swing assembly by unlocking the base to insert the large curved bar in. Insert the curved bar into the opening right above the lock on the base. Don't worry about the exact location of the bar in the Mamoru. You can tilt the Mamoru by unlocking the base and slide the bar to your desired tilt position. Lock the base like this to secure the curved bar in place. In this step, we attach this end piece to the curved bar. You hear it clicks when it locks. In this step, we attach the two sidebars to the clips on the curved bar. Here's a tip to make it easy. There are labels on both sidebars and the clips, but honestly they are not very easy to see. The labels are A, B, C and D on both ends, and you have to match them. So A goes to A and so on. They have push buttons and they lock with no need for screws or bolt. Now let's attach the sidebars. By the way, so far if you liked the video, please like the video. It's very helpful with the YouTube algorithm. For more baby related videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for the support and let's continue with the video. Let's attach the seat pad for the Mamoru swing. We attach the seat pad to the sidebars with the zippers. Do this for the other side as well. Secure the seat pad with the buttons on the top and the bottom side like this. The button can be a little tricky to connect. Do it on the bottom side as well. Underneath the seat pad and attached to the curved bar, there are two safety straps. Take them one by one and through the holes in the seat pad like this.
You can adjust the straps based on your baby's size. There are 3 plush toys and a toy bar. Insert the toys into the toy bar like this. Insert the toy bar into Mamaru and then rotate this 90 degrees like this to lock it. There is this small wire to connect the external audio to Mamaru if you want. I repurposed this in the disassembly of the Mamaru, so don't throw this away as this can be handy in dismantling the swing. We have a separate disassembly video for when you're done with the Mamaru. You power the Mamaru by connecting to a plug. It does not have an option to run by batteries, which is fine. You just need to be close enough to an outlet. By the way, make sure to check our other videos on the review, Bluetooth setup, and disassembly of the 4Moms Mamaru swing. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and see you next time.